You need to be able to get to your heddles, so you need to take off your front beam. Most looms that just lifts right off. Make sure you set it flat on the floor. You need to take off your beater. Different types of looms, that happens differently. With this David, it just lifts up and pulls off. And again, set that on the floor out of the way. I have my yarns all nice and strummed and stroked and even, and I've trimmed my ends, and they need to lift behind the heddles, but I want to put slip knots in them to make sure that they don't they stay nice and secure. So I make a slip knot, I make a loop, and then grab the end and pull it through, but I don't pull the tail through. If I pull on the tail, the knot will come undone very easily. So it's a knot that you want to become familiar with. So I'm just going to put slip knots in the part of the warp that I'm not working on right now. Here we go, and that can all just lift back there. Now I have my threading pattern, and I have a pin, and I look at my first part of my threading pattern, and the threading pattern goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first bit of my threading pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, so I'm going to start there and take a heddle on each harness. 1, 2, 3, 4, and set them out. Then I am going to, working from the cross, put first piece of yarn through the heddle on harness 1, and the next one 2, and the next one 3, and then 4. When you are taking the yarns from the cross, don't actually take them out of the cross. You want to leave them in the cross. Some of the yarns go up over top and then down underneath, and some are just coming straight through. Always just leave them in the cross. So I finished 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to put my pin where I finished, and then I look at the next part, and it's 3, 2, 1, and so I'm going to take a heddle out on harness 3, 2, and 1, and thread those. 3, 2, 1. Move that over, and then I'm going to put my pin at that spot, and the next bit is 2, 3, 4. So I will move those corresponding heddles out and find them. 2, 3, 4. Move my pin. And now I've finished the threading sequence. I am going to check to make sure that I have it right. So I will check 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I'm looking to see when I pull where those heddles are moving, which harnesses they're moving on. You can see that they're moving down here. You can put numbers on these harnesses to make it easier for yourself. Once I've checked and made sure that it's right, I'm going to put another slip knot in, and then I'm going to continue on, move those over to the side, and I'm going to continue on until I've threaded my entire warp. Checking every time. As soon as I finish a group of heddles, I will check to make sure that the threading is right.